Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nauran Khatri and I am an ECC affiliate. If you are someone planning to go for audit and assurance examination in this coming attempt, then this video is going to be very crucial for you. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about my coming audit and assurance test series, why you need this test series, how it is going to benefit you, and everything which you should be knowing about this test series. If you are following me for a while, then you probably already know that I introduced similar kind of test series for my last batch, and honestly the feedback structure and the result was incredible. So when I was preparing for my audit and assurance examination or any ACC examination, the one thing which I clearly understood while preparing for them was that ACC examination is never only about syllabus, content, or practice. No, it is not always about one thing. It is about how you implement your efforts and hard work during your main examination in those 3 hours. Before attempting your final examination, you need to be confident about things like time management, answer presentation, and how to handle those tricky, unpredictable questions. And all of this, the practical exam focused approach, is exactly what I have designed my test series around. I will be covering up all of this in detail to help you improve not just your knowledge but your performance too. So, now the real question is, what exactly is being included in this test series and how it is going to add value to your preparation? So, let's break it down. The very first component of my test series is the two concept checker test. These are designed specifically to test your understanding of the core concepts. It is not just about what you know, it is about how you present your answers in your examination. So, in these tests, my focus is going to be upon identification of the common mistakes which you are making in the answer presentation, helping you understand what examiner wants to see in your answers, and guiding you how to structure your response, how to make them more impactful and professional. So, my goal here is to build your foundation in order to understand how to implement your technical knowledge and how to present. Then comes our main two mock examinations, which are being included in this test series. So, as the name suggests, these examinations are the examination where you need to get very serious. So, I will be conducting these examination through a live session and I will be invigilating it personally. The purpose is to create a real life examination environment around you. During the mock, you will be expected to stay seated and focused during the entire duration, complete your paper within the set time, and most importantly, treat it like a real examination. And lastly, we are going to have a session before our examination, and I will be telling you do's and don'ts and everything which you should be knowing before attempting your final paper. If you are very serious about clearing your audit and assurance examination with confidence, then this is the push which you need. So, how to register for this test series? It is very simple. Just DM me on my Instagram. I will be linking my Instagram handle in the description below. And one more thing, this test series is priced at only 2499 rupees. Limited seats, maximum value, and I cannot wait to see you guys in this test series.